Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I have a product review for you. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I have a few tool product reviews. I don't have a lot. I don't normally review stuff like that because, well, there's nothing really new that I've got that you guys could go out and get that I'm really impressed with. And I got to tell you, this right here is one of my favorite tools that I have in the shop, and this is it's a Gyros Magnalite Pro. Okay, this is an LED lamp. Comes with a wall charger. It's of course rechargeable, and it's a 7.2 volt 36 LED light. Now the reason that I like this is because this one right here is the exact same as that one. This one's 12 years old and it still works. It broke when I drop it, probably the 200th time. There's some tabs that hold this piece. This is the battery pack. You can take it out. It finally broke and it wouldn't stay in the bottom, so I had to duct tape it up. But the reason that I like this is because it holds a charge for months and months. I use this thing a lot and it will go hours and hours and hours. I've never timed it, but it goes a long time. It's very simple. It's got an on-off button, and the head swivels back and forth, and it's got a very strong magnetic base, so if I need to put it up there, it stays up there. I use this under the car all the time. It's really good because it's magnetic and you can tilt the light. I didn't even know that they still made these. You know, this product, it is made, I just looked on this side of the package, it is made in China, and I don't like Chinese made products, but I will have to tell you, this guy is very good quality. Seriously, I've dropped this hundreds of times, never even broke the lens. It's some type of polycarbonate plastic. It's dirty, it's greasy, I love this light. And as long as it continues to work, I don't care about the duct tape. I just bought a spare one to have. I'm going to put a link down in Amazon. That's where I got it from years and years ago, and I got that one from Amazon. If you're looking for a light that you can use anywhere, I use this in the house. I take it with me. I use it obviously in the shop. Anytime I need a light, this is the first light I go for. In fact, I threw away my corded trouble light. I don't, you know, with the advent of really good rechargeable batteries and these things, I don't need to be tripping over more cords. But I believe they make several different sizes of this light, if I'm not mistaken. But this is the one that I had. It got the exact same model, and I love this. Absolutely love this thing. I will take this if the house burns down. This would be one of the probably 10 things I would grab because I love this light. And at night it is super bright. And you know, obviously I've used this probably thousands of hours and not one single bulb has gone out. Nothing's cracked other than the two little tabs finally that broke. But anyway, so if you guys are looking for that, I will put a link in Amazon where you can get this. If you're looking for a good light, it is, I can't say enough about it. I really like this light. And guys, this thing's actually it's 12 years old. This is 2018. I think I got it in 06 or something like that. So this is about 12 years old. I mean, how long did a light last? You know, but it's good. It's a really good one. Take my word for it. I wouldn't have bought another one if it was junk. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're interested in it, grab you one, pick you one up, and hopefully I will try to do some more tool reviews when there's a lot of stuff I can review. I don't know if it's available for you guys to get. I got a lot of stuff from the 80s that I bought. Anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and cut the video short and we'll be done with it. If you guys are not subscribed, please do so. And I appreciate you if you are. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Love this light.